you could give one actionable step today to someone that they can implement right away, what would you say?
So just learning all the many different perspectives through podcasts is really great, especially for busy moms to listen to in the background during like housework and stuff like that we could do it passively. And there's like many different books out there about wealth. So like Think and Grow Rich is kind of a classic one. Robert Kiyosaki, I think almost everyone started with the purple book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Those are really great foundational first steps, I think, to learning about it. And from there, I think also network with people who are in this space too. Just start asking questions. A lot of them will give recommendations about what books they're reading too. And that really helps. I think it's just continue to educate and feed yourself the knowledge, and it'll just click and just grow.